Hi students, how are you today? Absolutely, we are happy, joyful, and cheerful. Okay, students, so today, actually we just review our lesson about statistics, yeah. That's about my day. So we will discuss it together, yeah. Okay, now let's see the PowerPoint first. Okay, review time. Okay, look at the first one, yeah. What time is it? Look at the picture. What time is it, students? It's 3 o'clock. Yeah, it's 3 o'clock. So how to get answer? It's 3 o'clock. Don't forget say it. Yeah, it's 3 o'clock. Again, what time is it? Look at the picture. What time is it, students? It's 11 o'clock. Yeah, 11 o'clock. So don't forget say it. And then, what time is it? What time is it? It's 12 o'clock. Again, don't forget say it. Yeah. How to good answer? It's 12 o'clock. Okay. And then look at the question. Yeah. So you have to choose the auxiliary verb. Yeah. Do or does. Okay. Look at it. What time do or does they go to school? Look at the picture. Okay, what time do or does they go to school? Because the subject they, so we use do, yeah, we use do. What time do they go to school? Look at the picture. They go to school at 7 o'clock. Now, look at this picture. They go to school at 7 o'clock. Again, what time do or does they eat lunch? Look at the picture. What time do or does they eat lunch? Because the subject they, so we use do. Yeah. What time do they eat lunch? They eat lunch at 12 o'clock. Look at the clock. Okay, again. When does or do she get up? Okay, because the subject she, yeah, the subject she, so we have to use does. Okay, look at the picture. When does she get up? So how to answer? She gets up at 7 o'clock. Get become get, yeah, because the subject she use get. Okay, and then when does or do he go to bed? Look at the picture. Yeah, because the subject he, so we have to use does. Yeah. Okay, when does he go to bed? So the answer is he goes to bed at 9 o'clock. Okay, because the subject he, so we have to use goes. Okay, and then okay, match. Let's match. Okay, so you have to match from the left side to the right side. Okay, for number one, I get up. Okay, we will match. Wait a minute, students. Okay, so number one, I get up at. Okay, get up is part D. Yeah, I get up at 6 o'clock. And then number two, I take a bath at. Which one? Picture. Which one? Yeah, part C. Yeah, I take a bath at 7 o'clock. Okay, and then number three, I eat lunch at. What time do you eat lunch? I eat lunch at 8, 12 o'clock. Okay. And then number four, I go to school at. What time do you go to school? I go to school at 8 o'clock. Yeah. Okay. And then I go to bed at. We go to bed. What time do you go to bed? Yeah. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. Okay, students, that's all about it. Now, okay, arrange these words become a good sentence. Yeah, arrange these words become a good sentence. So number one, You have to arrange these words, yeah. Eat I dinner 8 o'clock at. So become I eat dinner at 8 o'clock. Okay, and then number 2. She up at get 6 o'clock. Become she gets up at 6 o'clock. Number 3. Bus the at 10 o'clock comes. Become the bus comes at 10 o'clock. And then number 4. At 5 o'clock, TV watches he. Become he watches TV at 5 o'clock. Again, and then number 5. 4 o'clock, plays her friend she at with. Become she plays with her friend at 4 o'clock. Okay. Yeah, thank you, students. Yeah, so that's all about our lesson today. Okay, so today we just review about our lesson about My Day, chapter 6. So don't forget, next week we will face the test 1 of English. Don't forget, you study about note 5 and note 6. Okay, students, I think it's enough for today. Let's say thank you, Miss. Goodbye, students.